Hello everybody, this is Gragnani here with you on June the 19th for the DWA Minute. And one thing that I wanted to do today is describe some of the ways that I utilize our research in managing my own portfolio. And one thing that I do predominantly within my portfolio is own some of our own ETFs as a large portion of the investment part of my portfolio. Another piece of my portfolio deals with my 401k and specifically a fixed menu of mutual funds that we have available to us within our 401k. And the fund score capability that we have on the website comes in very tremendously helpful in helping pick through some of these different mutual funds. And if you're familiar with our research on our fund scores, they range in scale from 0 to 6, with 6 being the strongest. 2/3 of that score is driven by relative strength, and another third of that score is driven by trend characteristics. So what that numerical value is designed to do is give you a sense of the overall technical health of a particular fund. And so roughly once a quarter, what I can do is go through an entire menu of mutual funds, whether you have just a fixed menu of say 10, or if you have a much larger menu of funds available to you, say 100 or 200 funds, you can look and evaluate that entire menu through the fund score by simply ranking those top to bottom. And very simply, what I do with that portion of my portfolio is every quarter go through that evaluation and look to own and have my investments within the top 10 of those mutual funds based on that fund score. Very simply go through. What that allows me to do is capture the strongest trends within the equity market, and we've seen here recently that it's been very much geared towards U.S. equities, but as you know, is in any investment 401k option, is if fixed income, if commodities, if alternatives begin to come back into favor, the fund score will pick up at that and gravitate those towards the top of the ranking. So that's hopefully give you a couple ideas. You can go to very simply on our website. If you load all of the mutual funds into our portfolio system, just your portfolios under the database tab, then you can simply rank those mutual funds. When you go into the portfolio view, you can rank your mutual funds or exchange traded funds very similarly within that portfolio, and you too can follow that similar type of strategy. So thank you for joining me for the DWA Minute this week, and look forward to talking to you soon.